still synthetic oil. It's still smoking like crazy. Maybe it's the little computer module in it, or I'm gonna try changing the spark plug.
All right, don't mind the mess here. The garage is a disaster. We got to clean up when it comes to weather gets a little nicer. So my saw, the 261 MS 261C, smoking like crazy. I'm pretty sure the oil is mixed 50-1 on ethanol-free new gas, not old gas. The saw was running fine, ran out of gas, got new gas, put two-stroke oil in it, and it was Husqvarna oil, and it smoked like crazy. So I actually dumped that gas out of the saw, mixed some new ethanol-free gas with Stihl's two-cycle oil that I normally use, still smoking like crazy. So just took everything apart, cleaning the heck out of it. There's a lot of stuff just frozen in here with it being, below freezing. There's ice build up on the some of the logs I'm cutting, so it's getting some moisture in there and just caking everything up. So cleaning all the ports out. I got a new spark plug, $8. BPMR 7A, NGK, $8. I got a new filter also. That's actually the original one. It's clean. I'm not gonna put the new one on. They're $13.50. It's a HD2 filter. Goes right here. Easy money. Spark plug goes right here. Very simple. I'm gonna throw a new spark plug in it real quick and see if that fixes my smoking issue. The plug I cleaned it some, but I don't know if it's filed or not. I'm just gonna throw a new one in here and see. Here's the new one. Same BPMR7A. Brand spanking new. Clearance is about the same. I use a 3/4 inch. You can use your chainsaw tool that comes with the chainsaw, but I'm just using a 3/4 inch socket and go right in this rubber grommet. Cleaned it out. See how it goes. All right, don't over torque it. Put this rubber boot back on. Remember, this isn't the space shuttle, so don't over torque it. And I put my filter back on. It's a 1/4 turn. I'm gonna run it and see with the same fuel that I had in it last time, it was smoking like crazy. Here's the MS 261 new spark plug. We'll see if the new spark plug helps it out. Same fuel. Okay. Still smoking a lot. Still doesn't like it seems. Maybe it's bad gas. I think I'm gonna try getting some new ethanol free. Thinking maybe that ethanol free gas I got's bad for some reason. So strange. Yeah, I don't know. Not the spark plug, not the air filter. It can only be the gas. So I got another gallon of different ethanol-free gas because I'm thinking now after changing this plug and running the saw, it's doing the same thing. Filter looks fine. This saw only has like 10 hours on it, if that. So I'm gonna check the fuel filter. It's right there. You just empty your gas out. The new one is right here. I got it at Ace. Part number for OEM 000-350-3518. They're like $7. You can probably find them cheaper online. But there's the original. I'm gonna fish it up out. You can use a pick. I'm gonna try using my needle nose pliers. Grab it, pull it up out, check it, see if it looks clogged at all. It's real easy, plug and play. So here's the new one I threw on. Here's the old one. It doesn't appear to be clogged or anything. Doesn't seem to be an issue, but I just fished it out with this little hook. You just pull it out of the rubber hose, slide the new one in, very simple. Like I said, I don't think this is an issue, but I think it's bad gas. So right now I have the new spark plug in, which I don't think the issue is. The new fuel filter in, which I don't think the issue is. No debris in the old one. New fuel's in here, same oil. So we'll see what it does now. Remember, it's still gonna have some old fuel in it. Alright, I think we're good to go now. Pretty sure I just got some bad fuel. I did not mix it incorrectly. Yeah, I don't think it was the filter. I don't think it's the spark plug. I'm actually hanging on to that filter, and I'm gonna put the old spark plug back in this. I think it was bad, maybe some bad fuel. So, I mean, there's these chainsaws, there's not too much to them. There is a little bit of gunk leaking out. I don't know, it almost looks like an oil coming out of the exhaust. This is what I was talking about. There's like oil residue coming out of the exhaust. I never